If you are a growing organization, it is very important to have a watch on the number of samples that you have in a particular collection. If you are a growing organization, it is easier for you to get excited and make many more samples so that the confidence level is very high कि हम इसको easily बेच देंगे. But one very important aspect that a lot of organizations miss out is anticipation of the number of pieces that you will be able to manufacture. So instead of just keep on adding to the samples and keep on manufacturing them, understand what capacities you are going to be able to fulfill in the market. What is your production capacities? Accordingly work backwards, that you have made 100 samples and making about 500 to 700 garments per style, and this is my capacities and only this much I can fulfill. No point in adding up the samples and then scratching your head and saying we are not able to supply. Reduce the number of samples, ensure that you are able to deliver on time.